Okay, so the lighting on this thing isn't that well. I don't have the lights bright, and when the lights aren't bright, it looks like this. You'll just have to forgive that. Um, it's 4:43 a.m. as I do this. I wake up early on days that I go into New York City. Most of the time, I just sit here having a coffee or whatever, waking up. But I got up a little earlier today. Anyway, I noticed on the YouTube research that people are looking for certain terms. So what I decided to do was you'll see a flurry of uploads of like affirmation videos that usually have a nice visual combined with some relaxing music backing track and then a voice doing affirmations. Sometimes it's my voice, sometimes it's like an online voice. And for the really long ones, it's very hard for me to sit here and keep my voice at a steady pace and try to do affirmations. Plus, I don't think my voice is that pleasant to listen to. Um, some people don't like robot voices. I'm trying to get ones that sound more human than robot, but unfortunately, the way they space the words or something like that, the speed, uh, I mean, you could tell, but they're very clear and easy to listen to. And the bottom line is, if you want affirmations, that's what you have. You have affirmations. The other thing is, I don't have to worry about background noises. Like, I could be doing something in my voice and it's going to pick up anything that's going on. So, like, if there's something there and my dogs start going crazy, it destroys the whole thing. I have to start over or whatever. Somebody walks in and starts looking for me and saying, hey, that ruins it. With this thing, it's all done online. There's no background sound. So, anyway, as I said in multiple videos, I want to provide lots of different content, related content on my channel. So sometimes it's me speaking or saying something like this. Sometimes it's affirmation videos. Sometimes it's Neville clips. Sometimes it's Neville lectures. I have it all, and that's what I offer. I offer, a variety of different related material, and that's the way I want my channel to be. So if a certain video or whatever isn't for you, then just go on to the next type that is for you. Um, so uh, so actually, right now I'm rendering one of those um, affirmation videos, and I have another one ready to go after that. One is on gratitude, one is on money. People are searching for these things, so I want to provide what people are searching for on YouTube, exactly what they're searching for. So that's that's it for now. I just wanted to, if I have time, I'll upload this. We'll see what I get to, because, like I said, it's 4:46 as I do this, but I was up at like 3:30 a.m. and I decided to start doing this at 4 a.m. and look at this already 45 minutes later, and I'm only rendering the first one. Time flies when I do this stuff. I love creating content on my laptop, rendering it into some sort of video. I hope people like my animation videos with the little guy talking. Um, I enjoy doing that kind of stuff. I think that kind of content is cool. It's a variety. I offer a variety of things. Hopefully, lots of different people find use for different things that I provide. So that's that. I'll stop this one right now and just look out for more content. Please like and subscribe and share my stuff out. Thank you very much for your support.